Importing your data. In step 3, you'll be deciding which fields from your dataset you want to import. This step is completely optional, and you can skip it by clicking Next at the bottom of the page. If you choose to skip it, your dataset will still produce a map layer, but the pop-ups will not contain any additional information, and there will be limitations on styling and filtering your dataset. Imported fields will show up in the pop-ups when we generate your map layer, and you'll be able to search and filter with them in locate mode. You can also use these imported fields to style your data and create different visualizations. Let's get started. In the left column, you'll find all your dataset fields and their first few records for reference. To import them, you'll need to give them a label. You can either select from our suggested labels or create a custom label if nothing from the suggested list matches. Suggested labels. The suggested labels are based on the dataset type you selected in step 2. You can hover over the tooltip for each one to see the definition. Some labels may be grayed out because they require a certain data type to apply. For example, the price label is expected to be a numeric value. Once you've selected a label, you'll see that the field is marked as imported. Some labels will require a unit. For land area, you can indicate if your data is in square meters or square feet. Providing a unit type will allow you to convert between imperial and metric measurements within the Ratio City platform. The units shown in the preview panel during this process will adhere to what you've set in your preferences. In this case, while the land area is in square meters, the preview is showing the converted square feet measurement, since it's set to imperial units for area. You can change this at any time. If you want to, you can also change the default label name by clicking the pencil icon and typing in a new alias. As you import your fields, they'll appear in the preview panel on the right. You can choose to import all of them or just a few. Custom labels. If none of the suggested labels match your data field, you can create a custom label. You'll have to select the data type and unit if applicable, then input the label name and description. All of these fields are mandatory for creating a custom label. For more information about data types, check out our data guidelines at ratio.city/training-materials.